Alright, so this is going to be a video on my new 42-inch SMC UF42 installed in my hallway. Did have to move it from where it used to be, so I'm going to have to plug up those holes. But it's fine. I'm going to get some plaster today, drywall plaster, and plug it up. So yeah, this is probably one of the fastest fans I own. Has a cast iron spinner motor that is built for a 52-inch ceiling fan, but this is a 42-inch, so it's quite fast. Got the Charleston's old light kit on it. Oh yeah, I did do an update in here. I put a new light kit on the Piccolo, which is really nice. So I'll turn on the light. I love the look of SMCs in this house. I don't know, I have so many good fans in my house. Oh yeah, I did also change out that light kit and upgraded that fan. I have so many good fans in my house, but at the same time I want to like have a more classic look with SMC. I don't know. So yeah, let's turn on the fan. Starting off on low. Fan has a very fast low speed, has perfect bearings, which is quite rare for SMC. They are known for their bad bearings. Look at that low speed. Alright, putting out good air. Alright, now medium. Looks just like a high speed. I think this might actually be the fastest fan I own, to be honest. It goes 360 RPM. This is also built in 1986. Nice thing is they both have stencil, both hallway fans. Now hi. By far the fastest fan I own. Doesn't blow the most air out of all the fans I have because it has a lower pitch. But like this one isn't that fast, but it has a high pitch, so it blows more air than this fan. But still, this fan blows a sufficient amount of air, especially for this space. Now I'll reverse it real quick. I do prefer, I don't know, like both, it's weird. The space makes it where both high and reverse work for cooling the room. Anyways, I thank you all for watching. I hope you all have a blessed day.